We're gonna come up into a kneeling position, okay? We're gonna be in a half kneeling position, I suppose, where we got our right leg underneath us and our left leg out in front of us. And like I said, we're gonna be a little bit more flowy today. Now, as we flow through these movements, one thing that I want you guys to keep in mind is, you know, when you go to your doctor's office and they put that thing on top of your head and they take your height, I want you to think about having your height taken the whole time. Okay, so I want you to just try to maintain length through your spine as you go through this exercise and not get too slouchy on me, but also not get too extended on me either. So one of the nice things about thinking about just, okay, if we were having our height taken, how would I push myself up, or how would I draw length into my spine might even be a better way of thinking of it, to help to decompress so that I get just a little bit more height. Because if you overflex, you get shorter. If you overextend, you get shorter. So we want to be somewhere in the middle. I want you to try to think about maintaining that the whole time as you go through this. Be conscious of your breathing. That stuff is still very important, and that's why the human infrastructure section in Operation Human First exists. But just be aware of that as we go through this, okay? So we're gonna try to maintain that. We're gonna start with our leg out in front of us. I want you to think about slowly pulling yourself forward into a stretch. So we're not gonna go really arch through our spine like this right now. I want you to, on this first round, just try to maintain that length and just sink forward for me. When you feel like you run out, whether you run out in your hip, your ankle, etc., you're then just gonna slowly pull yourself back. So don't just think fall into it. I want you to think pull yourself into it. Think about dragging the earth towards you a little bit as you come forward. Find your end point, little pause. And then we're gonna slowly push ourselves back up to that upright, tall position again. So give me one more, forward, and then one more, push the ground away as you come back. Then slide your foot out about 10, 15 degrees. This time, we're going out on an angle like this, okay? So this time I'm gonna try and pull myself this way. So I'm trying to drag the earth in, coming into a little bit more of an inner thigh stretch. And then I'm gonna push the ground away as I come back up. Again, find my height. We're gonna draw ourselves in. Same thing, get a nice stretch, pause, and then push ourselves away. And then we're gonna do one more here. Now you guys can and should play with different ankle positions as well. It's gonna drive motion through your ankle as we do this as well. You can point your foot in the same direction as your knee. You could even go off to the side a little bit. I'm not gonna be fussy about that for the sake of this particular video. Then we're gonna go off on another 10-degree angle. So we're not right off to the side quite yet. Just going to get another 10 to 15 degrees further. Now you're gonna pull yourself in that direction again. Think maintain length through your upper spine, and then press yourself away. Find that height, pull yourself in, and then pause in a nice stretch position, and then push yourself away again. We're gonna do one more here. Draw yourself in. So again, just slowly pull yourself in. You can kind of choose your own adventure on the amount of tension that you're using. Press yourself away. For these more flowy focused classes though, I like to keep it at a little bit more of like a 30, 40, 50% tops in terms of how much I'm really tensing. I'm really trying to feel the tension in my body. So I'm not just again falling into it, but I'm not radiating every single muscle fiber in my body as I do this either. Okay, like I said, we're gonna be a little bit more free to flow.